stay here, okay.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Germany.
Germany, and you?
Two. We both here. We are couple.
I think you are too young. For 25 years old. Is it right?
Excuse me?
What do you mean?
How old are you? I mean,
19 and 18.
are you going to the university?
Uh,
No,
I'm
we have finished school.
we just graduated from high school, and now I'm going to university, and she starts working.
She is your girlfriend,
Yeah.
or how long have you been together?
Uh,
4 years,
4 years,
I think.
How did you meet him?
We met usually in the
primary school.
yeah when we were little kids, and then we don't saw each other for like 2 years, and then we met again, and
Yeah. Why did you choose Vietnam to visit?
um
Just to see something new, and Asia is a great
and your father
destination.
just thought it would be
I think the weather in Vietnam is so hot. Is it
yeah.
right?
It's fun. I think there could be worse weather.
Yeah,
What kind of food do you like most in Vietnam?
Um,
I think the seafood.
yeah, the seafood is pretty good.
Why?
The prices are very fair, and
You know where it's come from.
the local food there.
What about the weather?
Yeah,
Rainy season, but
It's-
I like it.
it's not too much rain, and you don't feel trapped in your hotel.
How long? How long been you? How long have you been stay here?
In total, 13 nights, and we got three more nights to go.
Um, it's about 3 months. Is it right? It's about 2 months you here.
No, 2 weeks.
2 weeks. It's so it's not so long.
Yeah, but it's longer than the most. Yeah.
What are you going to do next?
Back to Bangkok, and then back home.
Why you had to transit in Bangkok,
Yeah.
right? Before you went to your home.
Yeah.
And when you go to your home, what are you going to do next?
University and work.
Uh, what are you going to study at university?
Economics.
You?
I'm not studying anymore
Why?
because I don't want to study anymore. I just want to earn some money.
I think you should study with him because you are guys a couple now.
Yeah, but I think he's studying in Munich, and we live near Munich, so it's not a big deal when I work and he's studying.
You after graduate in university, what are you going to do?
Gonna start working in the in finance.
Why?
Uh, I'm interested in this field, and I like it.
Could I ask you how many siblings do you have?
Two.
You are younger brothers,
Younger sister and older brother.
and you
I got one younger sister.
maybe you uh, have you ever tried to nước mắm ở phở Việt Nam? Nước mắm is a fish sauce. Fish sauce in Vietnam.
I don't think so.
I don't think we tried.
Fish sauce nước mắm is made of fish. Have you ever tried?
No.
I don't think so.
Have you ever tried phở in Vietnam?
Yeah.
Of
Yes.
phở.
Is it in? Oh, okay.
Please tell me about your. Are you really into phở?
Yeah, it's good. I don't have to eat it every day, but it's quite good.
This is the first time you come here.
Yeah, first time in Vietnam.
Before you come to Mui Ne, you come to Vietnam. Which places Are you go to Vietnam?
Only Mui Ne and yeah, the airport in Saigon.
And this is the first time in
Yeah.
here, on the places here. And what are you do? What are you going to do next?
You already asked. Back to Bangkok.
How much money do you spend a day in Vietnam?
It depends whether we eat in the hotel or outside, but I'd say about for each 300,000 dong.
Uh, in your opinion, it is too cheap or expensive here?
No, the hotel of course is a bit more expensive, but the street food and everything on the street is
Very
perfectly
cheap.
priced.
The price of hotel is very expensive, but the food is very cheap,
Yeah.
reasonable, right?
Yeah.
What about food do you like most?
I like squid. Everything with squid.
Have you ever tried to eat rice in
Yeah.
Vietnam? I think in Europe, most people usually eat pasta, right?
Where you been in Europe?
Russia, maybe Holland.
Okay, yeah.
Is it right?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's
What about
kind
you?
of Europe, but it's more the Balkan states.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Bye.